So from here, route will be very scenic, as you can see, with beautiful farms. Andarki namaskaram, welcome back to another vlog. Hope everyone is doing great, good and safe too. If you are newer on this channel, my name is Rupesh Minchla. I do travel vlogs. So finally vlog has started after so long. We are going to a place called Chellur Dam. I'm not riding alone. I'm with my best friend Lalit. Mama.
Hi.
So without wasting any time, let's get started. So this is kind of last riding vlog. Day after tomorrow I'm leaving to UK, so I've decided to do a little short ride. Yeah, that's the plan for today. It's going to be a short vlog, but yeah, kind of emotional vlog. I'm gonna miss riding, I'm gonna miss my place, and we need to fuel up. So fuel prices almost 197.33. Hello mama. So summer has already started. Mornings are not chilly anymore, and this time will be the perfect time to start any ride. As you can see, beautiful sunrise will happen anytime soon. I had a very long break. I'm really gonna miss my friends here, family here. So yeah, of course you have to do it for your dream and for your career. It's going to be hard, but so that's life. Lalit is having fun. Having fun now. Okay. ఇక్కడ నుంచి 20 kilometers mama. So we need to take this right to Chellur. We need to be very careful in this highway. Anna. So I already came to this place like last month. It was so peaceful and empty. So I've done a little cover, ukulele cover. I posted on my reels. So in case you are not following me on Instagram, handle will be somewhere here. Go follow it. Still learning, still practicing. Not perfect, but someday might play some good songs. So there are a lot of constructions happening this side of Tirupati, and as you can see, that is the airport. You don't know what these are. Some say they are companies, some say it's airport. Avutad mama inka sunrise just happened, so we decided to stop here for some stories, Instagram, and here is Snapchatter. So from here, route will be very scenic, as you can see, with beautiful farms. So I think we're gonna stop for another photo break, because you have to. Nice location it is. So break number 2. Busy taking pictures. We are on this location. So yeah, let's keep riding. Oh, బాగున్నాయి roads. Cultivation things happening all over. చెనగ్గింజా అమ్మా, చెనగ్గింజా. మా వ్యూ బాగుంటుంది. సో we made it to this place, a little Ladakh here. Check out the view. Aha. So no people. Oh, it's crazy. So after 1 hour we made it to this place, including all the breaks. So we got confused with the route and locals helped us. So check this place. Lalit started taking few shots with the drone. Very peaceful. Check out those hills. So, yeah, we'll take some couple of shots. Check this place out. So Lalit Mama is helping me with the thumbnail. So yeah, let's go. Oh, had a really good time. Must visit location this is. So I suggest as always to come early. Oh, okay. One last view. Check this out. You will love this place with all the hills around. So don't miss this place if you are living in Tirupati. Okay. Initial grunt will be so good in this 650 series, both in GT and Interceptor. I also have a plan to do a road trip on motorcycle in UK. You need to have a proper good group, motorcycle group. So, and also motorcycles are really costly in UK. So we'll see, we'll plan. Definitely at least one ride I want to do it. Earlier I also used to have plans of taking Pablo to places like London, Italy, Africa and all, but now it became old and few problems started already. So we have plans of having some coffee before leaving. We are in Renigunta. Came to this place called Tabun to have some coffee. Nice ambience. With the coffee we are leaving. Mama. Bye Mama. Back to my room, ending my vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed this travel vlog. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more videos. So next vlog will be the journey from India to UK, so stay tuned for that. Until then, stay blessed. Peace.